Coach Jen? Let's see it, Coach Jen. Go ahead, show us your down dog. You're on the spotlight. I think you are. Woo! Hammy, hammy, hamstrings. Nice work. And her dog is sitting right by her.
Oh,
Jazzy, so cool.
Wow. Coach Jen, I am so peanut butter and jealous that your dog can sit so awesomely while you are doing dog yoga. That is so good. I wish my dog could do that. Shh, don't tell Callie I said that. Okay, friends, awesome job. Okay, I know you really worked our hands, but the downward dog is a full stretch. But I'll tell you, my ding dong deltoids are really feeling that work. My biceps, my triceps, all my upper body, my whole body really got a lot of work from all those downward dogs we just did. Well, and not to mention all the dance moves, the sweet dance moves we just did. Wow, that was so fun. Okay, friends, so now that we're just talking about our muscles, let's really go through the muscles we use today. So you can, I'll say the muscle the first time and you can repeat after me, okay? We're gonna start with our biceps. Biceps, we use our triceps. Triceps, and we use our trapezius. Trapezius. And we definitely used our ding dong deltoids. Ding dong deltoids. We used our pectorals. Pectorals. And we used our abdominals. Abdominals. And our obliques. Obliques. Here we go. Gluteus maximus. Gluteus maximus. Quadriceps. Quadriceps. We use our, hammy, hammy, hamstrings. Hammy, hammy, hamstrings. This is the tongue twister. You ready? Here we go. Gastrocnemius. Gastrocnemius. Tibialis. Tibialis. And then we use the most important one we use all day, all night, all the time. Ready? Cardiac. Cardiac. Woo! Good job, friends. All right. So we went through our muscles. Now it's time to take it down a notch. Coach Jazzy, it's time to take it down a notch. We are going to work on our breathing. So let's come into our easy pose. I've got a special treat for us. Okay, special treat. I'm just going to check my time here. Make sure I'm doing okay. Okay, friends. Sometimes I chitter chatter a little too long. Okay, so most of you are familiar with the breath ball, and you're used to the small one. Remember, we pull it out, you take a deep breath in, we close it, you take a deep breath, you take a breath out, right? Well, this one, we're really gonna take some deep breaths because this one gets really big. And then we can breathe out. Okay, so when I open it up, you're gonna take a deep breath in and breathe out. Okay, we're gonna do this a few times, okay? So let's go for one. Ready? Deep breath in. And out. And in. And out. Deep breaths, friends. Good job. In. And out. I could do this all day. Breathe in. And out. Let's do it one more time. One more time. Breathe in. And out. Wiggle your shoulders out. Roll your shoulders out. Kind of relax here. Great job, friends. Okay, now it is time to rest. Not sleep, but just rest and be grateful for our bodies and grateful for Earth Day. We can be grateful for our Earth. So we're gonna do our Shavasana. So if you wanna lay on your back with your belly up and just relax, I'm gonna do it too. You might not be able to see me because I'm going to be laying down. And we're just going to close our eyes and rest.
We are lying down, bellies up, eyes closed, backs on the ground. Yoga time is ending and we are lying down, bellies up, eyes closed, backs on the ground. Yoga time is ending and we are lying down, bellies up, eyes closed, backs on the ground. Shavasana, Shavasana, Shavasana.
Very nice. Good job, friends. Okay, so last but not least, we're going to close with our Peace Begins With Me and then our happy, healthy hearts chant. So let's get our high five hands up where we're going to do our fine motor skill taps here. So we start with our thumb and our index finger. We start with peace begins with me. Here we go. Peace begins with me. And last time, peace begins with me. All right, let's put our palms together to our forehead. We're going to say kind, happy, healthy thoughts. Kind, happy, healthy thoughts. To our lips, we say kind, happy, healthy words. Kind, happy, healthy words. And to our hearts, we chant kind, happy, healthy hearts. Kind, happy, healthy hearts. All right, friends, thank you so much for being with us this morning for a Earth Day edition at the dog park. It was so wonderful to practice with you today. I miss you. And namaste. Have a wonderful day, okay?
My blue tiger was saying bye.
Bye, friends. Great job at the dog park today.
Bye-bye. My blue tiger even said bye.
Bye.
Bye, friends.
She has a squeaky voice. So cute.